and thank you for joining Connections at Home. My name is Gabriella, and I'm the Follow That Food Gallery Assistant at the Louisiana Children's Museum. I love food, and I love being in my kitchen, always making up nutritious and delicious meals, and I have a nice spice collection with a variety of flavors. I also keep the space organized and tidy, ready for its next use. Today, we're going to observe and explore our spice cabinets by using our senses. At the Follow That Food Gallery at the museum, we have a sniff and tell wall with a variety of different scented blocks that you can rearrange and organize, placing them to the words you believe describe them best. We can experience our own scent wall at home by using our spice cabinet. So let's taste, smell, feel, and think about what words we would use to describe each scent.
How does our sense of smell help us observe and categorize? How can we use words to describe what we smell, taste, and feel? This activity will help children develop important observation, organization, language, and communication skills.
At the Louisiana Children's Museum, we know that a child's learning is motivated by their curiosity and emerges in everyday moments of play, sensory exploration, thinking, and discovery. We can engage this learning process by using everyday items, like our spices. To do today's activity, you can use whatever array of spices you already have, and a pen, a piece of paper, and that's it. So let's get started. Here I have in front of me a variety of spices that I've chosen to share with you all. As I take them in, I will think of vocab words that I can use to describe them. So first I have cumin. Cumin is from a seed, and it's warm and earthy in flavor, and it's both sweet and bitter. Oh my gosh, it's so good. Next I have dillweed. Dillweed is one of my favorite herbs right now, and it is a bright green color. Ooh. It reminds me of fresh cut grass. It's savory, but not spicy. Now it's paprika time. Paprika is made out of a variety of dried peppers, and it can range from mild to spicy. It's normally red. Let's check it out. Oh, look at that beautiful color. This is paprika. Oh my gosh.
Go through each spice you have at home, with kids and grown-ups working together. Smell them together, one by one. You can taste them too if you'd like. As you smell a spice, talk about how you would describe the smell. Do you think it smells the same as your grown-up? Do you think it smells different?
After taking time to explore your spice cabinet, think of ways that you could organize them into various groups. For example, you could organize by smell, what letter they start with, where they come from, or what their color is.
What are some different ways I could sort my own spices? Let's take a look. Garlic powder comes from ground up garlic bulbs. I love garlic for its anti-inflammatory properties and because it tastes amazing in so many different kinds of meals. I like garlic and turmeric together because they go so well in my curry. Now, basil and oregano remind me of Italy, so I'll put those two together. If I add thyme and dillweed, then the four of these spices are all spices made out of dried and ground herbs. All four of these spices are green and make my food look and smell delicious. Now, when I think about spices, I think about where they come from. Here in New Orleans, we receive a lot of food and goods from ships transporting them up the Mississippi River. Rivers are like long, wavy water roads. Many of the spices we enjoy today originate from the Indus Valley and were transported to faraway places along the Silk Road. Here I've grouped together cumin, turmeric, and red chili powder because they all originate from the Indus region.
Now it's your turn. Think of how you'd like to organize your spice cabinet. Ask a grown-up how they search for and use spices on their own. Once you've looked through your entire spice cabinet, it's time to test out your spice skills.
You and your grown-up are going to think of a meal or a food that you both like to eat at home. Write down the name of the food at the top of your sheet of paper. For example, I'm going to write spaghetti. Now give the sheet of paper to your grown-up.
Once you hand your sheet of paper to your grown-up, they're going to write down 3 to 5 spices they would normally use in that meal. While they're writing your list, you get to go shopping. So we're going to go shopping in our spice cabinet for 3 to 5 spices we think should go in that meal. I'm going to pick oregano, basil, and garlic powder since I wrote down spaghetti, and this is what I think should go in spaghetti. Once you're done shopping, compare the spices that you chose to your grown-ups list. Are they the same spices? Sit and discuss if there are any differences. You can smell each spice together and think about if they remind you of that food. If you want to get really creative, you can look up a recipe and compare the spices on that list to what you chose today. Today we got to explore our spice cabinet using our observation, organization, and language skills, and also our sense of smell. We were able to discuss with a grown-up about how we use these spices in the foods we love to eat. Throughout this process, we were able to see how a sense of smell informs a child's understanding of the world around them. Post your pictures and videos of learning and shopping and examples of how you group together your spices and tag us in those posts at #LCMConnections, #LCMSniffandTell. Thank you for joining us for Connections at Home. My name is Gabriella, and until our next episode,